Okay, my name is Eric Okiti. That's my name. You've met me. Okay, so my name is Eric Okiti. From Delta State. I'm a worry boy. Means it means I like speaking pidgin a lot. So when I'm not working, what do I do? When I'm not working, I play games. I play PES, FIFA. I play chess a lot. I've played over 4,000 chess games so far. So that's what I do when I'm not working. Favorite food? Any food that is low on carbs, I like it. Eric, what kind of person is Eric? Eric is so many things. I'm a curious person. I'm very curious, and that is like part of the things that makes me do whatever I do. So when I see something and I like it, I always tend to learn more about it. If it's something that I can do, I'll do it. So I'm a curious person. I have a proud disposition. A lot of people say I'm proud, but I'm not actually proud. Easygoing. I like fun. I like hiking. I like music. I like movies, but they make me sleep. What else do you want to know, man? My favorite movie. One movie I can watch a million times is Baby's Day Out. Yeah, I love the movies. Like I can keep watching it. The lead developer at Zacrac. So it means I manage the dev team and we build the websites that you interact with and the infrastructure. My role as a lead developer involves lots of research. I have to make lots of research about what we want to build. And sometimes we're coming from a perspective where there's really not so much infrastructure in what we are currently building, especially in Africa. We are into EdTech, and in Africa there's no infrastructure for EdTech. So it's like most times, whatever we want to build, we have to do lots of research about it, look at tools that we can use. It's like we are shaping what EdTech looks like. So that's what my role involves, and then I discuss with my co-developers, with Wale. We have lots of back and forth with what to build, how to build it, how to go around it. Always focused on how the customers see whatever we're building. We go through. It's a lot actually. Irrespective of the fact that we are a startup, we are in Nigeria, we are lean. Sorry to disturb my video. Let me take that again. Not come here again. So, irrespective of the fact that we're a startup, we are in Nigeria and we are lean. We want to build a product that is world class. So it means for me personally, I always compare myself with the big boys out there who are in EdTech, and there are lots of really cool platforms out there that is into learning. And I believe that we don't want to go below the status quo, we want to change it. So I don't allow resources or our knowledge, the limit of our knowledge restrict us when we build. So we always learn, improve, innovate, try to get better, build better. I always tell myself that, okay, if Google is doing this, at least let us aim for what Google is doing. Let us meet that standard and let us look for how to beat it. So very audacious. It's interesting. Zacrac is fun. And I would tell everybody the most interesting thing about working in Zacrac is there's this level of trust. in, among teams across boards. And for instance, my team, we make decisions about what we want to use, and they trust that okay, we're making the best decision. So they allow us use tools that we feel is best. There's this trust there, there's this belief that we're doing what is best for the company, what is best for the product. So it's really fun knowing that okay, you have this level of trust and freedom to explore, to innovate. That's really cool. And then the people of Zacrac are interesting, especially when you meet them in person. The ones that are on site are really interesting to react with. You have Boyega, very, yeah, Boye is like the most influential in the office. He always gets all the gadgets, he gets whatever he wants. We don't know if he's using Jaruma or Kayamata. But he always gets what he wants. And then there's Tokbe. Everybody in the office is interesting. If you get to interact with every person, they are interesting, they are knowledgeable. There's a lot to learn from everybody. It's fun. I'm not answering that question. Next question. The most interesting part is when you put it out there and get feedback, good feedback from your colleagues, from the users, people actually, the students using the softwares. When you get good feedback, it's fulfilling because we have to go through lots of iterations before we get some of our work done. Sometimes we go back and forth with designs. We might design a flow a couple of times, test, retest, iterate. So at the end of the day, when our designs get approved and they are launched, it makes us happy. It makes me happy. The most boring part of the work is the iteration. You might spend a couple of days, sometimes weeks, working on a certain flow, a certain design, and after meetings, you have to change it. It's boring, but it's part of it. Okay, if I'm the president of Nigeria for a day, I'll make myself the SSA to the president on IT so that the following day I can start doing things. No final words.
No last words, final words.